up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another clean with me video. I am super excited about this one because it's been a while since I've really cleaned my house because I have been sick and under the weather and all that good stuff. You guys are probably sick of hearing about it. And I have my little Apple Music earbuds in that I just got from my in-laws as a gift. Me and Shanam did, and I love them. Just in case you guys were wondering, they are so worth it. So I am just listening to my music now and going to clean up this house and do my thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this and get some kind of motivation or inspiration and all of that good stuff. Please, if you are new to my channel and you enjoy this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I am trying to reach 20,000 subscribers and 20,000 beautiful people to share my journey with here on YouTube. So I will be doing a giveaway once I do reach that number. And besides all that, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video, and then also give this video a like. That always helps out my channel, you guys. So anyway, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump in.
All right, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean up my kitchen, put away these dishes. It has been a long week up until this point because I was sick. So there is all of the medicine I was taking or the little measuring cups. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and kind of organize the pots and pans, put everything away and all of that good stuff. So right now our garbage disposal is not working at all, so we're either going to call somebody, but we are going to try and fix it ourselves. So that is why there's water at the bottom there that will not drain. So right now we're going to go ahead and organize my pantry, and I am rocking to Maroon 5's new song, which I absolutely love Maroon 5, and that's what I'm showing you right here. We're just going to go ahead and kind of declutter all of the boxes and extra plastic bags and kind of take the water bottles, put those away in the fridge, just kind of clean it up and organize it a bit. Here I am going to clean out some of my old jars and reuse them for something else because I no longer keep my pre-workout in this jar, so I am going to put something else in it. now we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning out the refrigerator and taking out all of the old food, any kind of takeout, any expired meals, or any expired foods and things like that. I do a quick wipe down with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I'm not doing a deep clean, but just kind of wiping it down and cleaning and organizing the space. So right now I'm getting ready to take out some of this trash outside just so it's not sitting on the counter. Isaiah started swimming after they got back from riding, so I didn't want to bother him to go take the trash out. And then this little blessed mom of two, that is actually a wood decor that I got from Emily from Mama from Scratch. She actually has an Etsy shop. You guys should check it out now. So she's building all of her own home decor, and you guys can go on there and you can purchase one of these and put however many kids you have, like blessed mama of 3 or 4, it doesn't matter. So it's super cute. So check, I'll have her information in the description box so you can check out her Etsy shop. So right now we're just going to sweep up all the dog hair because there was so much. Remy is shedding so bad. So right here, Ava is pretending that she is sweeping with me using something from the kitchen. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Say hi, subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. And don't forget to give me a like.